Hey everyone, in this short video, I want to talk to you about a great alternative to YouTube monetization, which can actually make you way more for way less work. And what I'm specifically talking about is you're still making YouTube videos and you can still monetize them if you want to, but what you're doing here is you're promoting products as an affiliate through your YouTube videos, and for each sale, you can actually make way more for even one of them than you would for having maybe thousands or tens of thousands of views on the YouTube monetization earnings that you'd make. Now, I'm going to be talking to you about all of that and how to get started with it, but I first just want to mention who I am in case you're new to my channel. My name is Vitaly, and I basically make money online full-time. My main model is affiliate marketing. Here's actually some of my stats in this business. Here's some other more long-term stats, and a lot of the stuff that I do when it comes to affiliate marketing is I actually make YouTube videos where I'm doing what I'm going to be talking to you about in this video. Now, the thing about YouTube monetization is that it can potentially be very lucrative for people that really take the time to build up their channels, their following, and get a lot of views on their videos. But for most people, including myself, that takes time. And I'm actually growing 2 YouTube channels even as I say this. One of them is a nature channel, which I'm trying to monetize through YouTube monetization, but there's quite a requirement to get to that point, as you can see over here. So I'm making a lot of YouTube Shorts content. They're getting thousands, tens of thousands of views, but it takes time. Now, once I reach that point, the other problem to understand is it takes a lot of views in order for you to make good money with YouTube monetization. This isn't some kind of standard amount, but let's say it's $1 for every 1,000 views. It's going to take a while for me to really make good money with that. Now, with affiliate marketing, I can actually make way more for every single sale than I would if I would have to rely on getting thousands or tens of thousands of views. So if I make YouTube videos and I only get 100 views on them, I can still make more than if I had some kind of video that got tens of thousands of views and got me a few dollars for that. And that's one of the advantages of doing affiliate marketing to YouTube monetization. Now, I'm not telling you to forget about YouTube monetization. You can still do it, and there's a lot of people that do well with it, but keep your options open, and maybe this can be a potential plan B or plan A depending on how you do it. Now, how does this actually work? So the thing about affiliate marketing is you first actually have to have a YouTube channel that gets views before you can sign up to promote items. But once you do, you have a huge opportunity before you where you can promote different things through creating what are known as video reviews on them. So let me give you an example of what this looks like. So I have, like I said before, 2 YouTube channels where I promote products as an affiliate. And here's actually my second one, which is a nature one, where I promote outdoorsy products as an affiliate. And the way that it works is I sign up with companies like Amazon, I get links for whatever I want to promote that are known as affiliate links, and then I create videos reviewing those products, and I leave that affiliate link in my description so people can buy it. And for each person that clicks on that link and buys from it, I get a commission. So here's actually an example of that. Here's one of my videos where I promote these hiking poles, and this video has gotten me about 12,000 views, I would say, so far. Yeah, over 11,000 views. And here's an affiliate link to buy it. And if people click on it and they buy this product, I get about $2 to $3 for every single sale. Now, if I was to compare that to the money that I would have to make to get that, if this was a YouTube video or YouTube Shorts and views and all that, I'd probably have to get thousands of views in order to even make $2 or $3 from that, which is fine. I understand that that's just the way that it works, but from one single sale, I could make the equivalent of thousands of views. So think about that for a second. Now, that's a $2 or $3 example. I also promote products that pay me $20, $50, hundreds of dollars in commissions for that as well. And many of these sales actually come from YouTube videos. So let me actually show you what that looks like. So I can make a YouTube video reviewing some kind of product or program that pays me $200 to $300 a sale. And I can get 100 views on that YouTube video, which equals to nothing if it's through YouTube monetization. But if one person out of those 100 views buys that product and I get a $200 sale, that's the equivalent of me getting hundreds of thousands of views, maybe even more, through YouTube monetization. So it's less work for me if you think about it. And if I go over here and I look at the revenue, let me just go through this list right here. There's one sale for 130. There's another sale over here for over $200. There's another sale for another 200 and stuff like that. One of those sales, through making a short YouTube video promoting some kind of product or program, can yield better results for me than putting all my time and energy into creating masses of videos, massive amounts of content, and trying to make money through YouTube monetization. So it's a great alternative, and you're still using YouTube. You can still do YouTube monetization, don't get me wrong, but affiliate marketing opens up way more doors for you to make way more for way less time spent, which is why this is my main model, at least through YouTube. So this is a great alternative to YouTube monetization in my personal opinion and experience, and that's something I recommend that you do as well. And if that is something that you're interested in doing, I'm going to leave a resource below this video that will showcase the number one resource that I use to get to that point, to learn affiliate marketing, to learn all of the stuff that I talked to you about in this video, which can help you do the same. So if you're new to it, check that out. It's free to try. It has a lot of success stories, including myself, and it'll explain how that all works. But if you do have any questions about this sort of stuff, feel free to ask me in the comments section below as well. Be sure to check out my other videos, like and subscribe, all that kind of stuff. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, everyone.